Number 3. Epson Expression Photo HD XP-15000 Wireless Color Printer. Another great printer for large prints on our list is the Epson Expression Photo HD XP-15000 Wireless Color Wide Format Printer. Imagine being able to print your own professional-grade photos right from the comfort of your own home or office. This printer makes it possible with its ability to produce stunning, Ultra HD photo quality prints up to 13 inches x 19 inches without any borders. To get this printer, check out the link in the description box. One of the standout features of this printer is its use of individual 6-color Claria Photo HD ink. This includes red and gray inks, which add an ultra-wide color gamut and enhanced black and white prints to your images. This means your photos will be even more vibrant and true to life. And with a sound pressure level of only 49 dB, it's perfect for working on professional projects without any disturbance. The Epson Expression Photo HD XP-15000 also has a 50-sheet rear tray for specialty media, including cardstock. This allows for a variety of paper finishes and borderless sizes, from 4 inches x 6 inches all the way up to 13 inches x 19 inches. And even though this printer can handle large format prints, it's still ultra compact and designed to fit easily on your desktop. So check out the description link to purchase this printer. Convenience is key with this printer. It supports automatic 2-sided document printing and has a 200-sheet front tray, which makes it perfect for busy professionals. And with the added feature of dash replenishment, you'll never have to worry about running out of ink again. This feature keeps track of your ink usage and automatically orders more when you're running low. If you're looking for a powerful, professional-grade printer with hassle-free setup and operation, the Epson Expression Photo HD XP-15000 is definitely worth checking out. If you want to purchase this printer, then the link is in the description box. The above-cited printers are some of the best sublimation printers for large prints that you can find on the market. With their high-quality ink and fast printing speeds, you'll be sure to produce professional prints that will make your projects stand out. To purchase these printers, you can check out the link in the description box. Hope to see you in our next videos, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons, as well as the bell icon, to stay up to date with our upcoming videos related to printing.